Get rewarded when and how you want with the freedom of rewards on your terms. Use your Nevada State Bank card and earn points on every dollar spent. Then use your points to help pay for all kinds of purchases. Our online tools give you a quick and easy way to view available points, redeem points, and more. Redeem for everyday purchases. Use your points for travel without worrying about blackout dates, travel restrictions, or other common reward redemption headaches. Or redeem points for something else entirely. It's all up to you. You choose which purchases to apply your points toward, and whether to apply them for the exact amount or a portion of your purchase. And of course, your points never expire. Plus, there's no limit to the number of points you can earn. We keep things simple so you can get rewarded when and how you want. Want to learn more? Stop by your local Nevada State Bank branch today.